Hello, this is Peter from Old Man King Homestead. Today's Friday. It's finally stopped snowing this morning. We received quite a bit of snow. At noon today, I measured 11 inches on the ground. But by the time you take into account the melting and the settling, it much more than that was the actual snowfall. I would estimate probably our actual snowfall was getting up towards 18 inches. It's very hard going out there today. I got the ramp shoveled off, and that's all the shoveling that I did, along with the usual stuff I had to do. I had to make my way up to the satellite dish and clean that off. During the night, with the additional snow we got, plus with the temperature getting close to freezing, that snow was saturated, so it was completely blocking the signal. I had no internet this morning, so I had to get that cleaned off, and then internet started working fine again. We're going to have one more cold night tonight. It's supposed to get down to about 15. And then after this, days it's supposed to be in the 40s. A couple days next week in the 50s. And 20s at night. And towards the end of next week, it's supposed to be in the 30s at night. So, I'm glad we got a warming trend coming. I've got to go out once more this evening, top off the diesel heater, and that will last for 18 hours on a tank of fuel running on high. And then that's the only time I plan on going outside tonight. And while I'm out there, I'll give the dogs their nighttime meal, but that's not a problem. I feed them right on top of the ramp, so I don't even have to go out in the snow to do that. I got a little bit filming done of the snow today. I'll let you watch that. And that Superman keeps walking back and forth, but he doesn't stop and want to go on camera tonight. I hope you enjoy the video. I have Superman in my lap now. He did want to go on camera after all. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Please like my video. And please continue watching. That's it for today. I'll see everyone the next time. Have a good one.